Okay mga igala, before ita magsugod, before we start, let's go over with the vocabulary first. And hopefully by familiarizing the vocabulary, it will be easier for you to understand what I'm talking about in my vlog. Okay, now let's start with the first one. The first one is karon. Karon means now, today, or right now. Okay, karon. Nagtiwas. From the root word tiwas, that is to finish. So nagtiwas is in a present tense. If it's in the future, you say magtiwas. Okay? Magtiwas or nagtiwas. That means you are completing something or you are finishing something. Okay? Next one, nagtrabaho. Nagtrabaho. That means you are working, currently working. So trabaho means work. Nagtrabaho means you're working. Next one, we have para. Para. It means for. Okay? Para. Next one, we have niño. Niño. That means to you all. Okay? Niño. And then tanan. Tanan means everything, all. Okay? Tanan. Sige. Sige could mean like you go on, go. Or sige, that means it's happening all the time. Sige. So this is a frequency word as well. So sige means always happening. Ulan. Ulan is rain. Okay? Ulan is rain. So especially right now, siging ulan. It's raining. Okay? Ginagmay. Ginagmay from the root word gamay, that means small or little. When you say ginagmay, that means small. Small. Okay? Little by little. Ginagmay. Then ingon ani. So when we use ingon ani, it is something you're showing about the process on how to do something. Okay, so we say ingon ani. This is how to do it. Ingon ani. Kuan. Kuan is what you call it. This is like the in the English language. Okay, what you call it. Kuan. Okay, next one we have usbon, usab, or balik. In this vlog, this means do it again. Okay, to do it again. Balik-balik or usab or usbon. That means to do it again. Next one, we have padayon. Padayon, that means to keep continuing, to continue. Okay, padayon. So this is a good word for encouragement. So to tell someone to just keep going, you say padayon lang. Padayon. Okay, padayon lang. Just keep going. And then diri means here. So that's the last vocabulary we have. Diri is here. Now let's start with our vlog. Hi mga gala. Today it's a rainy day. It's a bad weather day. Karon tiwas ko sa Bisaya Stories, Dirty Toilet. Stay tuned on that one. So, karon sa site, nagatrabaho ko sa Bisaya Stories. So, I'm building it up for everyone, para ninyo tanan. Okay? So, siging gaulan karon, siging ulan, ginagmay. Karon tiwas ko og recording sa audio sa Bisaya Stories. So, ingon ani ko kuan mga igala. This is how I record if I am here in our room. So, okay, let me start this one, huh? When Maria entered, hold on. There, I cannot read it. Let's do it again. Usab. Okay, let's try. When Maria entered their bathroom, again, balik. Sab. When Maria entered the bathroom, she saw that the bathroom was dirty. Pagsulod ni Maria sa banyo, nakita niya nga hugaw na ang banyo. Pagsulod ni Maria sa banyo, nakita niya nga hugaw na ang banyo. Pagsulod ni Maria sa banyo, nakita niya nga hugaw na ang banyo. So that's how I record audios mga igalas. Okay? So padayon ko diri sa akong pag-record sa audio and stay tuned in for my newsletter about this new story that I am working on. That's the end of our lesson for today. Humanata, we are done. So if you are a serious learner, mga higala, please go over to my site, cebuano101.com. I'm inviting you there. The nice thing about the website, you have access to all the resources available for you there. We have the Quizlet app. All my students can use the Quizlet app unlimited. There are tons of resources for you guys there. There is already a lesson notes prepared for you. There are audios that you can use to your advantage to help you with your pronunciation. We also have an online program that you can use. It's open to all the patrons, and there's more for you guys there. So I really hope to see you on my site. To all my viewers here in my YouTube channel, that's okay if you don't, I still love you guys. That's okay if you don't subscribe to my Patreon. You're still supporting me by watching my videos over and over again. This is just to those who really want to step up their game in learning the Bisaya language. I really hope to see you on my website. Daghang salamat ug amping kanunay. Bye!